Alright, I just got some stuff in the mail. From... Uh-oh. Something fell out already. We got, Big Bang Theory Season 6 on Blu-ray. It says, thanks for liking us on Facebook. Of course, why wouldn't I? This is from, the Geek Try page. If you're watching this on Facebook, I'll put it in the comment. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll put a link in the description. Go like them, show them some love, all that good stuff. What else we got here? We got an Assassin's Creed Brotherhood collectible miniature game piece thing. I'll open that later. No, I'll open it right now. Tiny. La Volpe. Cool. There he is. Really small. Put him over to the side over here. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. You got some comic books, Aquaman. Oh. Bonus prize. Because Aquaman sucks. That's funny as hell. Here. And we got a Doctor Who comic book. I'm not sure which year this came out. And I'm not going to open this to check either, because I don't want to ruin it. Yeah. That's awesome. Really, really awesome. I got this poster. I don't know what of yet because I haven't taken it out. I just cut all the tape off. I'm not even sure if I can fit this whole thing in the video. See, it's an Assassin's Creed Black Flag poster. Ooh. That's cool. I don't know how well y'all can see that. That's pretty badass. On the back, it's got a map of everything in the game. Well, not everything. Maybe everything. I don't know. I haven't played it yet. That's awesome. What is that? Is that a giant fish? That's a giant fish. Oh. Back in here, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, nothing. That's it. So I got the little minifigure. Season 6, Big Bang Theory, Blu-ray. Let me go watch this right now. Nice. Yeah. The Aquaman Doctor Who comic book. Yeah. And the poster. A badass poster. Alright. Bye.